In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Google Drive to sync tasks. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board you want to connect with Google Drive. This is important because power-ups are added at the board level, so make sure you're inside the exact board where you want to use the integration. At the top right area of the board, click on Power-Ups. This opens the section where Trello lets you add extra tools and integrations. From there, click Add Power-Up so you can browse the available options. In the search bar, type Google Drive. When you see the Google Drive Power-Up appear in the results, click Add. Trello will now attach that integration to your board, giving you access to Google Drive features directly inside Trello. Once the Power-Up has been added, click Settings. In that menu, choose Edit Power-Up Settings. This is where you connect your Google account so Trello can access your Drive files properly. Now, click Link, Google Drive Account. A Google sign-in window should appear. Select your Google account and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked to confirm permissions, so just follow the process until the account is successfully linked. This step allows Trello to show and attach your Google Drive files inside cards. After that is done, go back to your Trello board and open any card. Inside the card, click on Power-Ups. You should now see Google Drive listed there. That confirms the integration is active and ready to use on this board. At this point, Trello and Google Drive are connected, and you can start using the Google Drive option within your cards to keep task-related files tied to the work you're tracking. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here is to test the integration right away by opening a card you actually use often, so you can confirm the Google Drive option appears exactly where expected. If you do not see it immediately, refreshing the board or reopening the card can sometimes help Trello display the newly connected Power-Up correctly. Also, remember that this setup works on the board where you added the Power-Up. If you want the same Google Drive connection available on another Trello board, you'll need to repeat the same process there as well. And that's it. You've successfully connected Trello with Google Drive so your tasks and related files can work together more smoothly inside your board.